Need a little breathing room between sections of your page? The space component makes it easy to add extra space wherever you need it. Let's take a look. Here's an example of the spacer in action. It helps separate content so your page feels more open and easier to read. Now let's see how to add it. To add a spacer, click Add. Then select Custom Space from the Components list. In Edit mode, the spacer is shown with a dotted outline, so you can see exactly where it's placed. To change the size of your spacer, click anywhere inside its dotted outline to open the editor. Drag the slider to choose how much space you want. You'll see the change update instantly on the page. Click OK to apply your changes, or Cancel to go back without saving them. Don't forget to press Save in the toolbar so your updated spacing goes live for your website visitors. And that's it. With the spacer component, you can give your content the breathing room it needs for a clean, polished look.